In this video we would like to present our analysis workbench for the VAST 2012 Mini Challenge 1, featuring multiple linked views that reflect selecting and highlighting operations in combination with the time-dependent filtering. We start the analysis by examining the average policy status of all Bank of Money facilities. On the map, two regions stand out due to their different color. When all facilities in these regions are selected and the histogram of their status examined, it can be seen that no machine reports a healthy state. However, a comparison of this distribution with all other regions at the end of the examination period shows that they do not perform worse than the others. Additionally, Data Center 5, located in the same region, shows up with a different color compared to their neighbors. Therefore, we examine this further by browsing through the other aspects of the log messages and see that the number of online machines is significantly lower in comparison to other facilities. We filter for machines of this data center and open its line plot, showing the distribution of the machines in each policy status for the whole time period. In a comparison of the healthy status with the number of offline machines, it appears that almost all machines are offline at the beginning. We investigate the peak around time step 10 by searching for online machines during the first hours with the help of our state sequence filter tool. Our matrix view provides details about each status message of every selected machine. It depicts policy as fill color, activity as border color, and number of connections as size. It can be seen that some computers are activated for a short period of time after being offline before being switched off again. This pattern could be due to a go-live test with selected machines before the whole data center was brought online. Most of these machines are servers, and some of them already start with policy deviations after having been offline, and their status deteriorates further thereafter. In order to investigate this behavior, we use a higher-order state transition graph visualization that depicts how the machines pass through the various states. The first view shows machines traversing to higher policy deviation on multiple routes. Including the missing data of offline states, however, reveals that policy changes either happen gradually or through offline states. This graph can also depict combined states of different aspects and orderings. When we examine the policy/connection states for servers and workstations, it seems that there are workstations with abnormal connection numbers in certain policy states. A further investigation of the individual machine functions reveals that only teller machines show this behavior. The parallel coordinate plot of the teller machines shows high connection counts for a few outliers. We highlight these particular machines and examine their details in the matrix view. By clustering similar connection behavior, an interesting pattern occurs. During the first night, only few teller machines have abnormal connection counts, while during the second night the same applies to most of them. To take a closer look at the time frame of question 1, we go back to the map view. Here it can be seen that there are facilities in the ATA region without a single active machine. Examining the local history shows a spreading disappearance of facilities. Using the matrix view again, we see that whole facilities go offline entirely. Due to the spreading pattern and the absence of interesting activities, we suspect a power outage or network breakdown could be responsible for this. Generally, it can be observed that the policy status decreases continually with no machine getting better at any point in time.